Hey, what's up guys? Nevin here, and in this video I just want to walk you through our new dashboard. So anytime you sign up for AutoBidder or moving forward, anytime you sign up for a website or SEO service, this is where you're going to manage all of that information through one dashboard. So I just want to walk you through it, show you how it works, give you a little bit of a rundown here, and hopefully this video will help out. So right here, the very first page you're going to see, you notice these 5 buttons right here. The very first one, this is for website. The second one is going to show you your stats dashboard for SEO. And then the bottom 3 are all AutoBidder related. So let's just dive right into it. Let me show you what each one of them does and walk you through it here. So very first one, you notice here it says edit website. You click that button. It's going to take you to this page right here. And this is your website editor. Now this is just a template or a kind of a dummy account right here, but you'll be able to view website statistics. So anytime you get visitors, people come to your website, view your website, this is where you can manage that. You see the statistics. This is where all your leads from the website will come, all your form responses right here. And then of course, if you click this button, this little orange button right here, it's going to take you to the website editor, which is where you can actually, edit your own website. Okay. Now we'll log out of that and come back here. The second button is going to take you to your website stats dashboard, right? Now the other dashboard I just showed you, that shows you your website stats. This is more so in-depth stats about your SEO, and you can customize this as much as you want. We can show you stats for pretty much anything, really. Let me just give you a quick rundown here. So you'll notice right here it says your backlinks, so it'll tell you how many backlinks you have, which is important. When you're tracking your SEO, you want to see that those results are actually taking place. The next thing is going to show you your impressions, how many times your website was shown in the Google search engine organically by people doing searches, and then also over the course of that last month, how many organic clicks you got. So not counting Google ads, not counting traffic from any other source, but just organic clicks through the search engine. It's going to show you that right here. And come down a little bit. This is going to show you your statistics on Google My Business, how many calls you got, how many clicks you got. Come down a little bit more. It's going to show you how many times you've shown in searches. This obviously shows you your average rating right here. Come down a little bit more. Now, in this case, these are a couple custom things. So, of course, YouTube is very important for your SEO, as many of you already know. So this shows you how many views your website got or your YouTube channel. We can customize this as well. We can show you how many likes you got, those kinds of things. And we come down to Facebook. Again, Facebook's, a lot of people don't realize this, Facebook's also very useful for your SEO as well. So you can see how your audience has grown, as well as how much engagement you're getting, which are 2 very important metrics, right? So there's that. And now we're getting into the good stuff. This is AutoBidder. So the very first thing we're going to see, I'll start down here at the bottom. The very bottom button will take you to your custom AutoBidder. So whenever you sign up, you get AutoBidder created. This is your version with your pricing, your colors, your services. So if you don't want to offer some of these services, we can take them off. And this is your custom version of AutoBidder, right? That you can view. You can test it out and so on and so forth. Now this button right here, this blue button, is your lead list. So anytime somebody fills out your custom AutoBidder, the lead information is going to be sent right here. Name, email, phone, address, the 4 things you really need, and then of course the pricing and the services that they selected. All right, so this is the database. It's a Google Sheet. Google Sheets is free. Everybody has access to Google Sheets. You don't need anything special or anything, and you have access to it right here. Now in the future, we might build in our own kind of database, but as of right now, I think using Google Sheets is better value. You can, it's much more flexible. You can integrate it with a lot of different things. So that's why we're using Google Sheets right now. Okay. Now the other button right here, this orange button, allows you to edit your AutoBidder pricing. So I'm going to click it, give it a second here to load. This is where you can adjust your price per square foot for your different services, and you can adjust your services. Now, again, as time goes on, we're going to add to this. We're going to make it better and better. Eventually, next month it might look a little bit different. We take a lot of feedback from our customers as well. A lot of times people will give us cool ideas and stuff, and so we'll implement them. If we find that it's necessary or useful, then we'll throw it in there. But this is nice because you can come in here and update your pricing. Now, right now there's nothing listed, but once you go through, you update it. You can enter, let's say, let's say you want to charge 20 cents a square foot for vinyl. Maybe you want to charge 25 cents a square foot for brick, maybe 26 cents a square for stucco, and then maybe 30 cents for wood. And then, of course, you can go and do the same thing for roof, do the same thing for your deck cleaning, your gutter cleaning, your flat work. right? Now, if you have any other specific specialty services, then we can talk about adding that in there as well. But this is where you'll update your pricing, and then give it about a day or two. Let us know, and then we'll go in and get that pricing updated for you as well. And you come over here, the projects tab is going to be useful if you're on SEO or anything like that. We're working on that. It's going to be even better in the future. But this is where you'll be able to track the progress for if you sign up for a website design. You'll be able to track the progress and see how far along we are in the process, percentage. Same thing with SEO. You'll be able to see what we're doing on a month-to-month basis. With SEO, there are things that need to be done every month. You need to add a blog post, add a video, add service city pages. Stuff like that needs to be done for your SEO. So you'll be able to see how much progress you're making there. Your messaging, which is really important. This is where you can interact with us on the team. Send us a message. Someone, either me or Ben or someone else on the team, will see it, and they'll be able to get back to you or do whatever it is you need. Your files. This is optional. You can share your images with us through the Files tab anytime you want to add custom images to your site or whatever. This is where you can share them. Of course, you can email them over to us as well. For right now, that might be easier for you, or sharing a Google folder tab might be easier for you as well. If that's the case, then you can do it that way. This is something we're going to start rolling out and probably start using more of. Of course, as time goes on, you'll be able to manage your billing as well, your invoices, proposals, etc., your receipts. You can print it out, use it for your records, obviously for tax purposes and whatnot. So that's pretty much it. That's the gist of it. Like I said, as time goes on, our dashboard's going to get better and better and better. But as for right now, this is what it is. Hopefully it'll make things easier for you guys to manage and track your data. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.